Wow. Wow. Get out. Get out. Down. What the absolute fuck are you doing? Are you fucking kidding me?
Time. Let's go.
Where's the baby? There he is. My gosh, look at that little chicken leg. What is going on? Oh my goodness. Yours extra, girl.
Why is your chicken just resting on your head?